Hello, this is Alex with NC Hydroseeding, providing a quick overview of how to use the estimate you've just received. As you look through your email, you'll see where the message says you can view, accept, or make changes to the estimate by clicking here. So we'll go ahead and click on that hyperlink, and the estimate will open up in a browser. In the estimate, you'll have the quote number, the valid through date, who it was prepared for, who it was prepared by, and a bit lower you'll have the hard copy PDF of the actual estimate. You can get on that by either clicking the image or over here where it says click here to view or download the PDF. So we'll go ahead and do that. And now we have the complete estimate. One of the nice things with the complete estimate is not only do you get what we're providing, but you get information on the products we're applying, potentially optional products, and for commercial projects, potentially certificates, licenses, or insurance information. I'm going to go ahead and go back to the interactive quote. Now, once at the interactive quote, you have the ability to change information. So for commercial projects, typically we don't allow you to change the quantity. We'll just allow you to change the options. For residential, we allow you to change the quantity because we are using typically Google Earth or some other software imagery to try to estimate your area. And you may identify that we've over or underestimated your project size. So as we look at this, there's a minimum service fee. So any project that is under 8,000 square feet, you must select this option. So in this case, we're seeding 4,000 square feet. We've got a project area that's 25 miles away from our office. And then continuing down, we have the seed selection. So in this case, the customer has selected Princess 77, which in my opinion is the best Bermuda grass seed available. Continuing down, we have options. And for residential, the only option you have is to select water. And if you select water, what you have to do is either own a pond or have a river that's running through your property, or have a neighbor that has a pond or a lake or a river running through his property and gives you permission for us to go ahead and pump water from it. If you select that option, one of the things you have to do is come down here and click on Update. So right now we're at $2,200 and change. I'm going to go ahead and click on Update. And now we see we're at $2,600 and change. If you want to unselect that, you would go ahead and unselect it and click Update. And we're back to $2,200. If you wanted to select a different seed, you could go ahead, and here we're at Princess 77. I could go ahead and select Common Bermuda. So at $2,200, and when I click on Update, we'll see that cost goes down to $2,000. Continuing down on the form, if you're ready to accept the proposal or the estimate, what you would do is click on I agree. For commercial customers, you'll typically put in your purchase order number. For comments, you would put in any additional information. Down here, email address is pre-populated, but you could change that. And then down here, you would type in your name. And then for signature, you could type in your employee ID number or just again type in your name. And then you would click accept. If you've got a question, you could go ahead and type the question in here. So what will happen is you would type in your question. Once you submit it, you will receive a copy, and then when we go into our website, we'll have the ability to respond to your question. So down here, what do I need to pay for mileage? And then here's our answer. Here's another question that was just asked, and then we would go ahead and respond to it. So this is a way for us to communicate back and forth between us and you to ensure that we're both clear on what you are signing up for and what we're signing up for prior to you accepting the estimate. Again, this is NC Hydroseeding. If you've got any questions, please give us a call, and hopefully this estimate system works well for you. Goodbye.